Let's take a look at the drawing API of Arcade. And before I continue, I just want to show you this Arcade start render, what it does under the hood. So it just calls the glClear function, which is an OpenGL function with the color buffer bit and GL depth buffer bit. So it just clears out the color buffer and the depth buffer. If you wanna know what this Arcade start render does. So, and this is needed especially if you have moving objects on your screen. So every time you move, when you start a render, you need to clear the previous render. So that's why you need to call that glClear with the GL color buffer bit. Yes, so first of all, I'm going to just go to the documentation, and here on the Arcade.academy you can find the drawing API. And as you can see, it has many functions, so you can draw arcs or with field, also arc with outline, circle, field circle, circle with outline, ellipse, field and ellipse outline, draw line strip. So here are all sorts of drawing functions. Let's try out one. So I'm going to draw first a line. So draw underscore line. Yeah, and the draw line, its first argument is a list of tuples. So I'm going to give it a list and two tuples. And the first tuple is the start of the line, so I'm going to draw it at 0, 0, so x 0, y 0. And the second argument is the end of the line, so it will end at 100x and 100y. The next argument to this function is the color, so I'm going to give it an arcade.color.red. And the last argument is the line's thickness, so I'm going to give it 4. And yes, I think that's all. Although not the draw line, because it gives me here, PyCharm gives me an error. I wanted to use the draw lines function, and now this error is gone. So draw lines. Let me see the difference. So where it is. So here's draw lines. Draw a set of line, draw a line between each pair of points specified. So point list, color, line width, and what is the draw line? Okay, the draw line has a float x position, y position, a start x and a start y. It has an end x and an end y. It also takes a color and a line width. So this is the difference between draw line and draw lines. So now let's run it. And yeah, we have a line which starts at 0, 0, so this is the starting position. It ends at 100, 100, so at this point it has a red color and its thickness is 4. Now let's take a look for one more. So I'm going to draw, let's say, a point, so draw underscore point. And the draw point takes an xy position, so I'm going to draw it at 150x and 150y. It also takes a color, so arcade.color, and let's set it to white, so color white, and also the size of this point. So first of all, I'm just going to set it to 1, and it will have just 1 pixel size. And I don't know if you can see it, but here it is at the top of my mouse pointer. Here's a small 1 pixel point. So just set the size to, let's say, I don't know, 20, and now it is much bigger. So off screen I added just some other drawing command. So for the draw circle field, draw circle outline, and also draw LRTB rectangle field. And if I run it, now we have a field circle, field with this green color, so here it is. And here we have a circle with just an outline, so here it is. And also a rectangle here. So this is the last draw call. And if you want to know what are all these values, so first of all let's go to the draw circle field. Here it is, draw circle field. Let's open it up. So I'm going to just a little bit, okay, like this. And yeah, so as you can see, here is the draw circle field. The first argument, 250, is the center x. The second argument is the center y, so it's the center position of the circle on the screen. So 250 on x and 150 on y. And the radius is 50 of the circle, so 50. And its color, so arcade.color.green. And also you can give it the number of segments. So float of triangle segments that make up this circle. Higher is better quality but slower render time, so I give it 50 here. So now let's take a look at the draw circle outline. Okay, draw circle outline. So here you have the center x and the center y, so which is 450 and 200. The radius is 50. The color is arcade color blue, and the border width is 5 pixels, and the number of segments is 50. So here you can set the thickness of this blue outlined circle. The higher this value, the thicker it will be. The lower this value, let's give it just, I don't know, 2 here. And now it's much more, much better, So, and this last is the arcade.draw LRTB rectangle field. Let me see it. It is here. So, draw rectangle LRTB. What is the LRTB? So, as you can see, it stands for left, right, top, and bottom. So, LRTB. So, the left is at 500. The right, which is the left is the x-coordinate of the left edge of the rectangle. The right is the x-coordinate of the right edge of the rectangle. So the left edge is at 500, the right is at 600, the right edge, and the top, the y-coordinate of the top of the rectangle is at 600, and the bottom, the y-coordinate of the rectangle bottom is at 500. And of course the last argument is the color. So if you just go to the documentation, you can try all these drawing commands on your own.